my name's Haylee Chavira. I'm presenting on the Southwestern Barrel Cactus. There's two different genus of the barrel cacti. There's the Feral Cactus and the Echinocactus. And so this one, the Southwestern Barrel Cactus, is a feral cactus. And feral cactus means fierce or wild in Latin. And the Spanish name for it is biznaga. And so it can live up to 50 to 100 years. And right now it's very vulnerable because its population is decreasing. And other names it has is the compass barrel and the fishhook barrel. And then so the name for this specific one is the Feral Cactus wieslizeni. And so its characteristics are, for its growth rate, it can grow generally 2 to 4 feet, but in special circumstances, it'll grow 6 to 10, so very tall. And the diameter, it's usually 18 inches, but they can grow as up to 30 inches in diameter. It has little flowers at the top that range from yellow to red. And it has the spine is a fishhook, so that's why it's called the fishhook barrel cactus. And it has smaller and large spines around it that have dry flowers as well. It's called the dry pedicle. And it's round, that's why it's barrel, because it's shaped as C. And the other genus, the Echinocactus, those are half barrels. So they're semi-globular. And then so for its habitat, there's 30 different species of this genus found all over the desert Southwest. You can find it in southwestern United States and in northern Mexico. And you can find them in Texas, Arizona, in Baja California. And you can find them in the Mojave Desert, the Chihuahuan, and the Sonoran. These cacti can also be found in urban settings as a landscape design. You can use their pulp to create a cactus candy. However, that was their downfall, that lots of people destroyed them for the candy, for the pulp. And a fun fact of them is their large spines keep away thirsty creatures in the desert, and their small spines help them with the heat. And then, so in emergencies in the desert, people can use them as food and water. And their tunas are edible. And then their fishing hooks, their spines can make fishing hooks. And their flowers are eaten dry and fresh. And the black seeds are also edible. The Native Americans really value them for their culture. So they use them in their community a lot. They use their spines as needles and awls. So they use them for sewing and for tattooing. And they used to cook the young flowers as cabbage, and the older flowers, they press them and make drinks. And then the barrel cacti can also be used as a pot. So they cut the top off, and then they put hot stones in the middle, and they put food inside. So I read that there was a legend about how because of the candy, people were like destroying it, so its population was almost ridden of because of the candy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So,